Hey, my name is Matt Jones and I'm the owner and operator of Advanced Safety. Now I just wanted to put this short video together to acknowledge the amazing work that Michael and Estella Philpott from Smart and Wise have done for me in the last few months. Now I engaged these guys at the beginning of 2018 to help me with my workshop facilitation and public talking. I do a lot of YouTube videos, I do a lot of public presentations and a lot of training for a lot of my clients. And one thing I really wanted to do this year was hone my skills in keeping people's attention and getting the very most out of every single opportunity. And Smart and Wise have really changed the game for me. It's meant that I've got a ton of participation and engagement from the audience to the point where they're up out of their seats and really getting involved in the training. So guys, thank you so much, and I highly recommend their services to anyone who wants to upskill and take their business further. Thanks.